All books are organized by their reading level. For example, these are all level M. The blue paper helps you put them back correctly with the same colored sticker. Level N, O, and so on. It goes down to level Z. Also, if you look at the back of the book, right there, it tells you that that is level N. If you happen to take a book set, let's say you only need 3 copies, I'd ask that you take all 6 copies, so that way when you put them back, the book stays together as a set to prevent other people from taking the time to try to find their books. The books at the top are chapter book resources, however, they are not leveled. And so these you would just use at your discretion if you feel like your group is needing a chapter book to read together. You do not need to come up with your own lesson plans for all of these books. These instructional manuals lay it all out for you. I am going to grab this first book here on level O on dinosaur fleas. We do have a good mix of fiction and nonfiction. And when you turn it over, it tells you that this book is level O and it is book 7. If I come to the instructional manuals, here is level O and it has lessons 1 through 64. If I go to level O, it tells me lesson 1, going until I get to lesson 7. There's lesson 4, 6. Okay, so here is the same book that I have pulled, and it tells me goals of this book. It breaks down all the different things for me as far as theme, text structure, content. It has comprehension questions, breaks it down into vocabulary, fluency, word study. This is where those student notebooks can come into handy. Introducing the text, it actually has a script for you if you choose to use that. And then after they read the text, it gives teaching points and discussion points. It also tells you how you can support your readers and assess them. So this is available for every book in this resource library. When I am done with the book, again, it has a purple sticker. It's level O. I'm going to put it back where it belongs. We also have a lot of notebooks for you to use with your group. For example, these are double-sided. This is to help with word study. But if you flip it over, it gives space for writing about reading. Also, in the bottom left, there are booklets for test preparation. And if you look closely, they are even leveled. They have a variety of testing questions. They have reading passages. They have multiple choice answers, as well as extended response at some point as you get further back. Happy reading!